Namaskar. Today we will be studying about coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, class 10 chapter, which is a new chapter. No, not a new chapter. In 9th standard, you studied about coordinate geometry. You studied, coordinate geometry मतलब coordinate system में आपका x और y system में एक पॉइंट है, उसका पास x भी है, y भी है. मैं लिखता है x is called abscissa and y is called ordinate. In this you studied in class 9th. This year we will be studying some geometry based on this. Suppose if you have x1, y1 है और एक पॉइंट है x2, y2, इन दोनों का बीच में डिस्टेंस कितना होगा. So then we come up with a formula called as distance formula. Distance formula क्या बोलता है आपको? Distance formula ये कहता है कि suppose you have a point over here P and you have a point over here Q. So PQ का जो distance है वो कैसा measure किया जाता है? Root under x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. ये आपको ढंग से पता होना चाहिए. This thing is called as डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. अब सोचो मैं एक सेपरेट लेता हूँ यहाँ से. सपोज आपके पास है भी, तो या वापस लेट अस कम बैक टू दिस. हियर हमें क्या मिलता है? हमें डिस्टेंस मिलता है. इसका डेरिवेशन सब है. फिर आपको वो सब यू डोंट नो अबाउट दैट डेरिवेशन ऑफ. सो we'll just go to the next formula. That is, suppose there is a point P and Q having x1, y1, x2, y2. PQ are x comma y. So how do you write x comma y? X comma y is equal to bracket में अगर m और n है, so you write mx2 plus nx. See in the board ratios, mx2 plus mx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. ये आपका फॉर्मूला है जिसमें आपको ये वाला कोऑर्डिनेट पता चलता है. x comma y जो है तुम्हारा r कोऑर्डिनेट. अगर सोचो व्हाट इज m and n, ये जो m and n है that is the ratios to which it is divided. रेशियो में वो लोग डिवाइड किया गया है, राइट. अब इसमें हमें पड़ेगा, लेट्स सपोज इट इज, अगर वो सेंटर में है उसको बोलते हैं मिड पॉइंट, उसका रेशियो होगा सेम. अगर उसको दो भागों में बांटा गया है तो ये तो कितना है? 1 2 3. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज ट्राइसेक्शन, राइट. और 4 पार्टों में बांट सकता है, व्हाटएवर इट इज. जब 3 पार्टों में बांटा 1 2 3. सो व्हेन यू कंसीडर दिस पॉइंट, व्हेन यू आर फाइंडिंग दिस पॉइंट, यू विल बी डूइंग दैट. इधर कितना है? 1. यू हैव 1 एंड हियर द रेशियो विल बी 1:2. जब ये पॉइंट ढूंढता है तब आपका रेशियो है 1:2. जब ये पॉइंट ढूंढता है इट विल बी हियर कितना है? 2 है, 2:1. यहाँ पर होगा 2:1 और यहाँ पर होगा 1:2. ऐसा आपको ढूंढना है. दिस आर द ओनली फॉर्मूलाज. या मिड पॉइंट सेम है. मिड पॉइंट जैसे मैं बोला, मिड पॉइंट का जो m और n है 1 हो जाएगा. तो आपका x और y जो है सेक्शन फार्मूला, इसको बोलता है सेक्शन फार्मूला. इसको कहता है सेक्शन फार्मूला. सो इसमें सेक्शन फार्मूला सेम होगा मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला भी, बट यहाँ पर आपका x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. ये होगा आपका आंसर. क्यों? क्योंकि जब मिड पॉइंट में आपका जो रेशियो है वो सेम रहेगा, m और n सेम रहेगा, इट विल बी 1:1 एंड यू गेट लाइक दिस. I hope you understood with the formulas of this chapter. now we'll be doing with the questions. Directly we'll attack the questions. And there is nothing to fear about the questions. Questions are very easy, and there is no much complication in the questions that you have to go through. Complications will be dealt by me. So let us start with the first question. We'll start from the basic and do all the kind of complication that is available. Find the distance of a point. Question number 1. Find the distance of a point P from the origin. तो आपका origin है. यहाँ origin क्या होगा आपका 0,0 है. वहाँ से एक point P है. इसका x, y है. Right. Find the distance. Find the distance. तो हम कैसे ढूंढेंगे distance को? The distance formula, distance d is equal to root of formula लेंगे x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. तो डालने से ये आपका होगा x1 y1 और ये होगा x2 y2. राइट, या x1 y1 या x2 y2 कुछ भी हो, सेम रहेगा. तो आपका आएगा 0 minus x2 0 minus x the whole square plus 0 minus y the whole square. तो आएगा x का स्क्वायर, x square plus y square. I believe this will be the answer for this question. Correct? So we'll go to the next question in the same form. Second question कहता है, if the distance between the points, if distance is 5 between points 4, R and 1, 0, then find R. Right? Then find R. All right. So this is it. Guys. Now in this question, distance is given to you. x1, अब ये x1 है, ये y1 है, ये x2 है, ये y2 है. अब ये कैसे ढूंढना है हमें, ये देखिए आप. So you know the distance formula लिख देता हूँ मैं. x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. Distance क्या है आपका? 5 है. 1 minus 4 the whole square plus 0 minus r the whole square. ये minus 3 plus minus r the whole square. 9 plus r square is equal to 5. यहाँ पर बोला है 5 है. तो रूट इधर जाएगा, 5 स्क्वायर is equal to 9 plus r square. तो 5 स्क्वायर 25 है, तो 25 minus 9 होगा तुम्हारा r square. 16 is equal to r square. Root of 16 plus or minus is equal to r. ये plus or minus 4 हो सकता है, या इधर हो सकता है या नीचे हो सकता है, कहीं भी हो सकता है. तो x है 4 तो 4 शायद से ऊपर है या नीचे है, दोनों जगह में हो सकता है. That is what the indication is. This is how you do the question. I hope you understood the first two questions. It was quite easy. As I said you, we will increase the complication as we go ahead. I want you to understand the chapter. Chapter के बारे में कोई knowledge नहीं है, ये वीडियो देख लो, पूरा knowledge आ जाएगा. Now, what is the distance between the point? What is the distance between the point? एक थर्ड क्वेश्चन है ये, एक पॉइंट है ए और एक पॉइंट है बी। ए का है साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा कॉमा 0 और यहाँ पर है 0 कॉमा साइन थीटा। So in this question you have to find the distance on this the distance between these two questions. How do we find the distance between, you know the distance formula directly into, ये आपका x1 है y1 है, ये आपका x2 है y2 है। So AB क्या होगा? ये आपका फॉर्मूला है, AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square। ये आपका अगला फॉर्मूला है डिस्टेंस का। सो ए बी ढूंढना है हमें, रूट ऑफ x2 क्या है 0 है माइनस साइन थीटा x1 माइनस कॉस थीटा ब्रैकेट क्लोज स्क्वायर प्लस y2 होगा आपका साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा राइट माइनस y1 माइनस 0 का होल स्क्वायर। तो आपका आंसर है so sin थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा साइन माइनस साइन थीटा ये माइनस अंदर मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो माइनस साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा तो कॉस थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा द होल स्क्वायर प्लस साइन थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा। अब देखिए क्या होगा a माइनस बी ए प्लस बी, ए माइनस बी क्या है a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab और a माइनस बी है what I said is a square plus b square minus 2ab a minus b का होल स्क्वायर और इसका प्लस 2ab है तो डाल देता है cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 2 cos थीटा sin थीटा प्लस sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 2 sin थीटा cos थीटा। ये गया 1 ये गया 1 सो 1 इधर 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 cos theta sin theta plus 2 cos theta sin टू ये 2 ये 4 हो जाएगा यस a माइनस बी ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर ये माइनस 2ab होना चाहिए था क्या हो कैंसिल हो गया सिर्फ रूट बचा है ये तुम्हारा आंसर दिस इज योर आंसर। So we made a mistake, we set the formula correct but we wrote wrong. That is the third question. We'll go to the next question. I hope you are understanding the questions. This is again a full short video. It depends on how you take. I believe if you study this, if you see this video, you will be able to solve the questions. A lot of questions. And you can, I'll tell you, you can even score the question which is going to come for your exam. Now we'll go to fourth question. If A, B, C are the vertices of a parallelogram, so देखो dear students, you have a parallelogram A, B, C, D. So A is 1, 2, B is 4, 3, 6, 6 और D पता नहीं है तो मिलेगा x, y. Find the coordinate, fourth coordinate. तो हमें ये ढूंढना है. You have to find this. समझ में आया क्वेश्चन क्या है? तो you know in a parallelogram, right? We know that diagonals bisects each others. तो ये डायगोनल है, ये डायगोनल है, परफेक्ट। ये जो सेंटर पॉइंट है दोनों का सेम होगा। सो वी नो AC is gonna be equal to BD। दोनों का क्या होगा? मिड पॉइंट्स, दोनों का मिड पॉइंट्स, बिकॉज वी नो इट बाइसेक्ट्स। हमें पता है कि ये बाइसेक्ट करते तो और इनका मिड पॉइंट एक ही होगा, तो कर देंगे डायरेक्टली। क्या होगा? AC का ये है। सो ये यहाँ पर x1 y1 और ये x2 y2 इसी है। सो मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला क्या है? एंड राइट ओवर हियर मिड पॉइंट x2 प्लस x1 डिवाइड बाई 2 कमा y2 प्लस y1 डिवाइड बाई 2। हमने ऑलरेडी बोला था स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द वीडियो में। तो आपका क्या होगा? 6 प्लस 1 बाई 2 कमा 6 प्लस 2 बाई 2, 6 प्लस 2 बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पर सेम वैसे x1 y1 x2 y2 लेने से या कैसे भी लेने से यही होगा 3 प्लस y बाई 2। सो यहाँ पर आएगा आपका 7 बाई 2, इधर आएगा 8 बाई 2 जो है 4, 4 प्लस x बाई 2, 3 प्लस y बाई 2, राइट। So I'll compare this to this. So what do I get? 7 by 2 is equal to 4 plus x by 2. 2 cancels, 4 इधर जाएगा, 7 minus 4 is equal to x, 3 is equal to x. So easy, right? Many people doesn't know because they'll be like complicated है sir. Question diagram देगा, diagram लिखेगा, बहुत करना है। It is easy, आप इसको इससे compare करो, क्या होगा? 4, I hope you can see the screen. 4 is equal to 3 plus 5 by 2. 2 उधर जाएगा, 8 is equal to 3 plus y. 8 minus 3 is 5 is equal to y. आपका पॉइंट आ गया। लास्ट में क्या लिखेंगे? जब एक बोर्ड एग्जाम में सब लिखते हैं ना, you need to write the so or hence the coordinates of D are 3, 5, ऐसा लिखना है। This is how you do the question. This is how you beautifully present it. This is how you beautifully learn it. Now we go to the next question. Now we are done with four questions. Coordinate geometry is easy. I'm telling you, I have to speak to you about the topic. I'll talk to you right now, maybe. After the 5th question, I'll tell you one more thing. About this chapter itself, what can else I talk? So the 5th question is, if B x comma 6 is the midpoint of the line segment joining, तो ये line segment A है, B है, A में दिया है 6, 5 और B में दिया है 4, y और इसका जो मिड पॉइंट है B है वो है x, 6। फाइंड y, तो मिड पॉइंट बोला है। Now I think who are seeing the video, you will be like, I'll do by myself. This is easy. Yes, pause the video, do it by yourself. It's quite easy. Midpoint ये दिया है, midpoint दिया इतना है. Apply करो midpoint formula. I'm not gonna write the midpoint formula again, but I'll tell you it is x2 plus x1 divided by 2, y2 plus y2 plus y1 divided by 2. ये तुम्हारा x1 y1 है, ये तुम्हारा x2 y2 है. तो आपका 4 plus 6 divided by 2 comma y plus 5 divided by 2. Simple it is. We have x and y. I think we have to find x and y in the question. Only y you have to find. Okay. तो हमारा x, 6 होगा। यहाँ पर 10 by 2 जो है 5 कंपेयर करो, हमें क्योंकि y चाहिए, x का कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. If x is required, you can directly write x is equal to 5. लेकिन x ये हमें ढूंढने का नहीं है, तो आपको पता है 6 will be equal to y plus 5 divided by 2. 12 is equal to y plus 5 plus 5 उधर जाएगा, 12 minus y 7 आएगा y. बस. This is the fifth question. Now what I said I've been talking to you was, in coordinate geometry you have, now we are studying the 2D, 2 dimension data. अभी अगला साल, next year also I'll be teaching you. That time it is your x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. जहाँ पर आपका coordinates होगा x1, y1, z1, right? तभी उसका distance, उसमें भी होता है distance formula, section formula, midpoint और section अलग अलग करने की जरूरत नहीं है, they are same. So distance formula इसमें भी, section formula इसमें भी, right? So you should subscribe my channel and stay tuned, right? Anytime. Also click the bell icon, because anytime, any day you will see the phone popped up showing this is been uploaded, or that any other chapter has been uploaded. So we'll go to the sixth question. They have said if P is a midpoint of the line segment. Again, this is a same similar question. If line segment is AB, so since I'm not writing the question, I believe that when I'm talking, you can just write down what is required. Question samajhna hai. Now there are students who are who are very poor in English or something. What you need to do is, first, to get marks, to get a minimum 60% or 70%. Yeah, I know for the fact that you see this, you are not going to get that, you're going to get more. But if you want to get, if your friends who are, average or below average, and they are not scoring well, that's a reason. What is the reason for that is, first English comes into picture. The student might not be able to understand the question. If here then comes confusion. But I have seen students who see the question, they write one step, and then they get confused. And then they'll be like, they get confused, and they will be like traumatized in the exam hall. No, it should be like, understand mathematics is an easy subject, right? And it is more easier when you see this channel, and whom do you think like what I said, a person in your life, please tell them to subscribe this too. So sixth question, there is a line segment A which is given 6, 5 and here 4, 5 और P दिया है बीच में, midpoint है 2, 6. हमें ढूंढना है भाई. ये है sixth question. See the sixth question again, it is easy. Midpoint formula बोला ये midpoint है, ये midpoint है, समझो. तो midpoint है तो क्या करेगा, 2, 6 है. ये मैंने बोला x1, y1, x2, y2 सिंपल. तो x2 plus x1 जो है 4 plus 6 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Right? Any suggestion that sir, you are going fast, or sir, you are going slow? Yes, you might think I'm probably I might go slow because I'm new to this platform. I learn day by day and I'll become better. But if I'm going fast or anything, any open suggestion, welcome to the comment section. 2, 6, यहाँ पर 10 by 2, 5. Compare करो. Y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 6. 12, y is again 12 minus 5. It's same like the previous question. No problem. We'll go to the next question. So, what ratio is with the line segment join the points? सो हमें दिखाना है व्हाट इज द रेशियो ढूंढना है, तो हम इधर ही कर देंगे 7th क्वेश्चन. देखो, when now this one good question where you are finding the ratio. Let us together check the solution how it is. So to find ratio क्या आपका m/n है आपका रेशियो. अब ये ढूंढने के लिए आपको ये बोला है कि there are a and b, जो है a 3,-6 और b है 5,6, सॉरी 5,8, और ये x एक्सिस में तो बीच में कहीं कोई पॉइंट है, राइट. Divided by x axis. Divided by x axis means, see, understand, whenever a thing is going by x axis, so what will be 0? उसका एब्सिस का एबिस का या ऑर्डिनेट, इन दोनों में कौन 0 होगा? What will be 0? Ordinate will be 0, obviously, right? So it is divided. Suppose ऐसा होगा, एक पॉइंट यहाँ पर होने से इसका x रहेगा, y 0 है x कोऑर्डिनेट में, तो हमारा पास x, 0. I hope you understood. Now we take it x, 0. Before that, let the ratios be k:1. Assume करो ratio k:1, ये दिमाग में रखो. Now I will start my using section formula. I know x, 0 is equal to क्या है आपका पहला फॉर्मूला क्या है? x, y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus my1 divided by m plus. Okay, अगर x और y दिया है x, 0, m क्या है? k है, k:1 में k, यहाँ भी x1 y1, यहाँ पर x2 y2. यहाँ पर है 3 प्लस n है 1, x1 है 3, 2 डिवाइड बाय, यहाँ पर m क्या है? k, y2 क्या है? 3, ये x2 यहाँ पर 5 होना चाहिए, x2 mx2 प्लस nx1, x1 सही है, और यहाँ पर 3 y2 माइनस y1, सॉरी 1 into -6, यहाँ पर 1 है, 1 into -6 is -6. अभी देखिए, इसको मैंने k के साथ अगर इक्वेट करने से मुझे कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है, तो आई विल इक्वेट इट टू 0. दिमाग में लगाने 0 इज इक्वल टू 3 into k क्या होगा? 3k - 6 डिवाइड बाई k plus 1. k plus 1 into 0, 0. 3k - 6. Oh my God, it is so hot. I am recording this from, I have said in the previous video, I am recording it from South Karnataka, and it is 36 degrees Celsius. 6, so k is 2. The ratio is k is 2:1. Right? That's a ratio. That's how you do. So we have done with 7 questions. Like this, I will be doing each and every chapter, question by question. I'll choose the beautiful questions, right, and I will come to you in this platform. If you would suggest me some more questions, it will be really helpful. And I will, I promise you that before your exam, I wish I could do all the chapters, and we are doing with the 10 question papers, right? So what happens in this 10 question paper is, so I believe the students who are seeing this video will be preparing for their 10th standard this year or next year. Every year we will try to do it if the atmosphere is healthy. So what I'll be doing is, I'll see the 10 paper, right? So and I'll try to give out, I'll try to analyze what topic and where the questions are coming. So it is like, it is easily done by you, but I know that you are too busy You have to learn a lot. You have finished with all your exams. You are just waiting for maths to get out. Then you are a flying bird, free bird. So I will do that for you. You just have to see the video, right? You just see the video, and we have 80, not 80. Let us keep an expectation in the video. 95% the questions which we'll be saying shall come, right? So that is not just a prediction, it is gonna happen. So we are new to this business, but mark my words, this is the reality. So we'll go to the next question. So what you have to do is, before that, ये सब topic पता होना चाहिए. When I'll be doing that, when I'll be taking that paper which I make, then I come in front of you and I'll be teaching you this. अब तुम लोग बोलेगा क्या है, right? या रेशियो पता नहीं तो क्वेश्चन कैसा कर सकते हैं? ऐसा भी स्टूडेंट्स होता है, right? So for them, I am prior making the chapters, the detailed thing, because we have so many days holidays, everything is pre-planned, so we will try to make use of it. We'll go to the next question. What was the question number? I think it was 8. So अभी देखो सेक्शन फार्मूला में और एक चीज पता होना चाहिए. आपको पता है xy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus my1 divided by m plus n. अभी ये है इंटरनली सेक्शन फार्मूला. अब अगर एक्सटर्नली पूछा, याद रखो एक्सटर्नली पूछा तो बस यही है, सेम टू सेम है, mx2 plus mx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus my1 divided by m plus n. पर ये जो प्लस है, हर जगह का प्लस है, इसको हटा दो, माइनस आ गया. इसको बोलता है एक्सटर्नल सेक्शन फार्मूला. So we will do a question related to that. So it's very rare to see some question actually. Next year you will be studying in your 11th standard NCERT. Write the coordinates. So we go question number 8. Write the coordinates. Coordinate ढूंढना है of the point dividing the line segment joining the points in the ratio. So एक है points. Suppose ले लेते हैं A और B. ऐसा दिया है. So 2,3, 3,4. Internally एक point है यहाँ पर C. उसका पता नहीं मुझे क्या है और उसका रेशियो है 1:5. तो ये this is a simple basic classic section formula. So see what happens. Your you know the formula, section formula, xy is equal to mx2 plus mx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus my1 divided by m plus n. शाबाश. तो हमें पता नहीं xy क्या है, तो m क्या है, m और n क्या है, m:n है तुम्हारा 1:5. तो m है 1, n है 5. तो ये समझो, ये क्लियरली समझो, बेसिक वालों को ऐसा क्वेश्चन आने वाला है, राइट? 100% श्योर. सो m क्या है 1. सो 1 into x2, ये आपका x1 y1 x2 y2. सो x2 है, सो 3 into 1 3 plus 5 into x1 क्या है, 5 2s are 10. So divide by 1 plus 5, easy. और m है 1 into y2 कितना है 4. 1 into y2 है 4. तो 4 plus 5 into 3 15 divided by 1 plus 5. पास है 13/6, 19/6, यही आंसर करेक्ट। सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते, राइट, कोई बात नहीं, रख देंगे ऐसे। सो आई होप दिस क्वेश्चन वाज दैट इजी। नाउ वी विल okay, my dear students, now we will study question number 10 with your permission. So 10th question, ABC are the vertices of a triangle. एक triangle है, तो ऊपर गया था। Triangle ABC, A है -1, 3, B है 1, -1, C है 5, 1 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. What is the length of the median through the vertex A? Median का length क्या है? तो इधर पॉइंट लेंगे D, तो ये median है। Since this is a median, it shall act as a midpoint between B and C. सही है? You agree? I believe. If you agree, nod your head. After that, by midpoint. Now by midpoint formula, you know that ये पता नहीं क्या है, D कब लेता हूँ मैं? Suppose I take it as x, y. I'll assume it to be x, y. So what it will be? x1, y1, x2, y2. So it will be y plus 1 divided by 2, 1 minus 1 divided by 2. क्या आंसर आया? 6/2 जो है 3/0। ये आएगा आपका ये वैल्यू। इसको हटाता हूँ मैं बच्चों, और मैं लिखेगा 3, 0, राइट। गर्व से लिखेगा 3, 0, गर्व होना चाहिए, because you found out this value. Now what they have asked is find the length. To find length AD, क्या है length? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 sorry whole square. अब x2 ये 3 minus of -1 होगा +1 का स्क्वायर प्लस 0 minus 3 का स्क्वायर जो है 4 का स्क्वायर जो है 16 और 3 का स्क्वायर 9, तो √25 जो है 5 units. Beautiful. Right, this is the answer. See how perfect, how nice. Right. If I would be you over there, I would love it. Just see how you are given with the coordinates. You have to find the height of the median. But how it is not a simple thing. Maybe it is in a XY plane. समझ में आ रही है? 3 पॉइंट दिया है उसका बीच में। अरे इसका तो एप्लीकेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। आपका भाई या बहन या आपका पापा इंजीनियर, तो पूछ लो कैड क्या है, कैड डी क्या है। उसमें सब इसी का ही solid figures, solid coordinates, you know, 3-dimensional coordinates, you know, all that you will be doing. So this around is basic. अब ये सब लिखने से मार्क्स नहीं आता है, but this is for your satisfaction. You are, I am able to do it. When I know something, my you give a role to Shah Rukh Khan to act, he will just not act and he will just, you know, make you feel and do. Same thing, because you make what you know, you feel, you make it perfect and do. We finish the 10th question, we will do the 11th question. We will rub the board, I think it is too dark. The problem is with the duster, because the duster is too old. And the board too, it's too old. Yes. you know, that bad. It looks like a new one. So life is all about cleaning yourself. Clean it, make it good. It's like a new life. So today the board is not that red, so we can continue, or else I would have had a conversation with you about life. Life, one story is there. Now, what is the question number we were dealing with? Which question number we were dealing with? I think 9th. No, it is 11th. 11th question. Find the ratio in which, find ratio करना है, find ratio by, तो हम क्या करेगा, k is to 1, याद रखो, find ratio मतलब k is to 1, in which p divides the line segment है, a है 2, 3, nice, b है 6, -3, okay, p है यहाँ पर 4, m. I know you can do it, but I'll do it. So, क्या section formula अप्लाई करना है? Section formula 4, m is equal to आ गया. Oh, should I write the formula for you? So boring to write formula every time. X, y is equal to mx2 plus mx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus my1 divided by m plus n. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये है आपका फर्स्ट स्टेप है. फर्स्ट स्टेप. माय मिस्टेक, आई कुड नॉट, आई वाज लॉस्ट विद यू. दिस इज योर फर्स्ट स्टेप. अभी डाल देंगे m क्या है, m है k, m is to n है आपको k is to 1. मैंने बोला है जब भी रेशियो ढूंढना है k is to 1 में आ जाएगा. So k x2 क्या है, x1 y1 x2 y2, तो 6k plus 2 divided by k plus 1, comma correct. और next है y2, so minus 3k plus 3 divided by k plus 2. अब देखिए मुझे फाइंड करना है रेशियो. तो they are asked find ratio and then find m. फिर ढूंढना है m. इधर m अननोन है, ये यहाँ पर m अननोन है, उसके बाद आपको m ढूंढना है. तो पहले हमें इससे रिश्ता बनाना है. तो जब रिश्ता हम बना रहे हैं 6k plus 2 divided by k plus 1, इसको इधर मल्टीप्लाई करो, क्या होगा, 4k plus 1 is equal to 6k plus 2. तो क्या होगा, 4k plus 4 is equal to 6k plus 2. यहाँ पर 2 इधर लेके जाओ, 4 इधर लेके जाओ, सब 4 minus 2 है 2, 6k minus 4k है 2k, so k आ गया 1. सही है ना, 6k इधर गया 2, 2k इधर आ गया 2, 2 गया 1, तो रेशियो आ गया 1. अभी इसको इससे कंपेयर करो, रिश्ता बना, तो क्यों बना रहे रिश्ता, हमारा रेशियो तो हो गया. रेशियो क्या है कि 1:1 है रेशियो, बड़ा सा लिख दो रेशियो करके, और ये नंबर आ गया आपका 1:1. Is it correct? It should be correct. Then m ढूंढना है, to find m, right? To find m. Why am I writing all this? Because I believe there will be some low grade people. So minus 3k plus 3 divided by k plus 2 is equal to m. k क्या था, 1 था, so minus 3 plus 3 divided by 1 plus 1. m कितना आया, प्लस माइनस प्लस ये. सी क्या आया, k here it was 2. Correct. So the answer is 0. Now we'll go to the 12th question. Find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates of the point R on the segment. You have a P, Q, minus 1, 3, 2, 5, and you have a point R over here. You have to find the coordinates such that PR is equal to 3 by 5 times PQ. So in such kind of questions where we don't see, we need to find the point R over here, right? So we assume that the coordinates be x comma y. So we don't know the coordinate x comma y. We need the ratios. So this is given to me. So what I'll do is this PQ I will get over here. I have PR by PQ is equal to 3 by 5. So what is PR? P into R is 3. P into Q. P into whole Q is 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So my ratio will be, so I'll write required ratio is 3:2. I hope you understood how the required ratio comes. So now I'll put the section formula. Section formula I'll apply. In section formula, you know your x comma y. mx2 plus mx1 divided by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. That's it. So I'll apply x and y. I don't know what is x and y. That is what I want to find. Your m is 3 and n is 2. So 3 into x2 is what? 2 plus 2 into minus 1 whole divided by 3 plus 2 comma 3 into y2 is 5 and plus again no. Yeah. 2 into 3 divided by 3 plus 2. I hope I am correct. M is 3, N is 2, Y2, Y1 correct. So here you will get 6 minus 2 by 5, comma 15 plus 6, 21 by 5. 15, 3 to 6. So what is your answer? Your overall answer shall be 4 by 5, comma 21 by 5. It's correct. So similarly, there is one more question. Same way, there is another question that we will give you to do. You can practice this question at your home. That's your 13th question. A and B are the 2 points. A and B are 2 points. Minus 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4. You have to find a point C, x comma y. Same to what we have done just now. Y comma x. You don't know. And you have given to the coordinate AP is equal to 3 by 7. AP. Okay, this is P over here. We have given AP is equal to 3 by 7 times of AB. So we are, as we spoke last class, question, AP by AB shall be 3 by 7. So your AP is 3, whole AB is 7 minus 3, 4, minus 3, 4. The ratio is 3:4. Please do it. Good day. We will do a question that is 14. The coordinate of a point triangle ABC. Midpoint say 3 is 1, 3, 4, 4, 6, 5, 7. And find the coordinates of the point, the size of the compulsory. This is a 5-mark question. You know, for the fact knowing that there is no 5-mark question from this chapter, still we are doing it only because we love you and we want to give you a good piece of answers, right? So we need you to know properly the application of each and everything. So I'll assume this to be x1, x2, y2, x1, y1, x3, y3. Now when I say that there is no this kind of questions over here, I mean it. You can see in your exam day that your exam is on 10th. This question comes, I'm no more. This question won't be there. So, but still, let's see. Now, do you know this is a midpoint? Is line का midpoint है ये. So can I write x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2 is equal to 3, 4. तो इसको इससे कंपेयर करो, इसको इससे कंपेयर करो. x1 plus x2 divided by 2 is equal to 3. x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. ये आ गया है. This is one of the thing. Then this when I compare y1 plus y2 is equal to 4. y1 plus y2 am I right? Same way along. ये था पहला वाला, इसका ये इसको लिखेंगे हम फर्स्ट. वैसे ही सेकंड लिखेंगे हम इसको. ये जो है इसको सेकंड लिखेंगे. अब इसके क्या है? x2 plus x3 divided by 2, comma y2 plus y3 divided by 2 is equal to 4, comma 6. इसको इससे कंपेयर करो, इसको इससे कंपेयर करो. x2 plus x3 divided by 2 is equal to 4. x2 plus x3 is equal to 6. y2 plus y3 divided by 2 is equal to 6. y2 plus y3 is equal to 12. Right? Then we'll go to the last one, 3. Last one, 3. इसमें क्या होगा? x1 plus x3, x1 plus x3 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y3 divided by 2 is equal to 5, comma 7. So x1 plus x3 divided by 2 is equal to 5. x1 plus x3 is equal to 10. y1 plus y3 divided by 2 is equal to 7. y1 plus y3 is equal to 4. Oh my God, such a long procedure question, right? Now, this is what we get initially, right? The question is correct. 3, 4, 4, 6, 5, 7. And here 2 5s are 10, 14. Here 2 4s are 2 4s are 8 over here. And 2 6 are 12. Right? And now here 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are again here 8. I'm shooting this video at 2:30 at night. So still the climate over here is too hot. I think it is. What is the reason behind this? It is climatic change. Climatic change is going to destroy our world in upcoming years. So we should be prepared for that. Nothing can help. Brain revolution or anything. So yes, look at me. I'm having some mistakes over here. Late night, eyes are closing. And I'm doing it for you. Now I have. Now I have x1 plus x2. Now what we do is, after this, जो ये x component है, ये x component है, और ये भी हमारा x component. इनको मैं separately add करता हूँ, तो क्या हो गया? x1 plus x2 plus x2 plus x3 plus x1 plus x3 और इधर क्या है 6 है, उधर क्या 8 है, फिर 10 है. तो मुझे पता है x1 plus x1 2x1 x2 plus x2, 2x2 plus x2, x3 plus x3, 2x3 जो है 18, 24। तो 2 को कॉमन लिया मैंने, x1 plus x2 plus x3 इज इक्वल 24। 2 गया उधर, कट गया, x1 plus x2 plus x3 क्या हो गया 12। ये और एक है क्या। अब इस ऐसे ही हम y को भी करना है, एक्सरसाइज। तो y क्या आएगा, y1 plus y2, y1 plus y2 plus y2 plus y3 plus y1 plus y3 is equal to 8, 12, 14, 8 plus 12 plus 14, ये आ गया 2y1 plus 2y2 plus 2y3। y1 दो बार है, y2 दो बार है, y3 दो बार है, इज इक्वल टू 20, 34 हो गया। दो बार y1 plus y2 plus y3 इज इक्वल टू 34, जो है y1 plus y2 plus y3 इज इक्वल कितना आ गया इधर, तो 1, 17। ये हो गया दो इक्वेशन। अभी इससे एक और वन मोर थिंग विल डू। यू नो दैट आई कैन फाइंड x1 फ्रॉम हियर वेरी इजीली। क्या मैं इससे, ये इक्वेशन से क्या मैं लिख सकता हूँ, x2 को नहीं, x1 को 6 minus x2 लिख सकता हूँ। तो आपका x1 है 6 minus x2। नो I will do that, but here I am finding x1 first। मैं पहले x1 ढूंढ रहा हूँ, तो मैं क्या करेगा, x2 को 6 minus x1 लिख लूँ, ठीक है। तो ये तो हमारे पास x1 हो गया। I'll write, so what is happening dear students, I am converting x1 and x3 to x1, sorry x2 and x3 to x1, so x2 will be a 6 minus x1 और x3 क्या है, x3 और x1 इसमें नहीं है, इसमें x1 नहीं है इसमें, तो क्या मैं इसमें से x3 को लिख सकता हूँ 10 minus x1, ठीक है। तो मैं लेगा प्लस 10 minus x1 is equal to 12, प्लस और माइनस गया 16 है उधर गया, तो माइनस x1 इज इक्वल टू 12 माइनस 16। सो माइनस x1 कितना आ गया इधर, 12 माइनस 16 है, माइनस 4 कटा, तो x1 आ गया 4। x1 का वैल्यू आपको मिल गया 4। अब तो इजी है, इसमें डाल दो x1 का वैल्यू, तो x2 कितना आ गया 4 माइनस 4, सॉरी 6 माइनस 4 जो है 2, तो x2 का वैल्यू है 2 और x3 का वैल्यू कितना है 10 माइनस 4 जो है 6, x3 का वैल्यू है 6, तो x1, x2, x3 का वैल्यू आ जाएगा, आ गया। वेरी इजी, परफेक्ट, आई नो इट इज द करेक्ट आंसर, देयर इज नो पॉइंट ऑफ चेकिंग। सो नाउ y1, नाउ योर y2 इज देयर, कैन आई राइट y2 as y1 उधर जाएगा 8 माइनस y1। सिमिलरली यहाँ पर है, आई होप यू आर सीइंग योर माय प्रायोरिटी। y3 क्या है 14 माइनस y1, तो डाल देता हूँ मैं, तो क्या है y1 प्लस y2 क्या है 8 माइनस y1 प्लस 14 माइनस y1 इज इक्वल टू 17। ये कट गया, 8 प्लस 14 कितना है 22, तो 22 माइनस y1 हो गया 17, तो माइनस y1 है 17 माइनस 22 कितना है 3, 2, 5 माइनस 5 कट गया, y1 कितना है 5। I believe that you can clearly see what is happening over here. All right. I hope you can clearly see what is happening over here. Now y1 आ गया, y2 कहाँ से ढूंढेगा मैं, y2 ये देखो 8 माइनस 5, 8 माइनस 5, सो है y2 कितना आएगा, मैं लिखता हूँ y2 है 3 और यहाँ पर y3 कितना हो गया 14 माइनस 5, सो y3 हो गया आपका 9। डन। तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा, and rub this triangle dear students and to write the answer, so big answer, so big, so I hope I made your brain drill little, right? So आपका x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, x1 है 4, 4, 2, इसमें क्या है 6, ऐसा सब मत लिखो, I'm just showing you. y1 is 5, y2 is 3 and 9. How is that? Perfect. What a question. What an answer. What a channel. So now we will go to the last question to finish the day. And to finish the day is already finished. What am I saying? To finish this session, the session of coordinate geometry, we will again teach you coordinate geometry when I will be discussing about the questions. Also question kaha aayega, right? And every year, see, I know I have a dream that every year we get our questions to you, and who reads that question and get the great mark, right? We'll crown them with something. That's a beautiful dream that I have, right? To make your childhood, your adulthood a little more ambitious. So we will do it soon. With the last question. Find the value of A so that the point 3, A lies on the line. So एक line है. So a line is there. I repeat the question, dear students. Find the value of A so that the point 3, A. So the point 3, A lies on that axis. So it's easy. What happens is, this is the point 3, A. So we have to find A. Question number क्या है? 16. 16. Okay, which lies on 2x. एक line है. 2x minus 3y minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to 0 is there, I guess. Yes, is equal to 5 in this. It is equal to 5. Okay, इसमें क्या ये one mark question है, ये x है, ये y है, डाल दो दोनों में 2 into 3 minus 3 into a is equal to 5. So 2 to the 6 minus 3a is equal to 5. Minus 3a is equal to 5 minus 6. Minus 3a is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1 by 3. That's it. That's it. That's your one-shot coordinate geometry. I believe that yeah, that's it. So I think 2x. Okay, yeah. That's all. So I'll rub the coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is done, dear students. How was it? Let me know in the comment section. I believe it was very nice, and if your belief is not matching to my belief, please let me know in the comment section, right? So we'll be making a more nice videos for you to understand and to know how to proceed with this subject. So yeah, what I was telling. So how do you study for coordinate geometry is, first you study, now listen to me at this last, study NCERT, right? No, or else I'll tell you one reverse, reverse game. First see this video. ये वीडियो देखो और उसके बाद अगर प्रैक्टिस चाहिए तो NCERT, I don't think so you need a practice. Practice this question, that is more than enough, right? Because we have, it's not about building up, it is perfect. एक बार try करो, एक बार, I know that's sorry, try करने के लिए नहीं है 10th standard, but for the juniors, the seniors will tell, please look into this channel and study, because if you look into this channel, you are the topper, you are looking at the topper, right? So thank you, have a nice time.